So you're thinking about moving to Orange Beach, Alabama, and you're thinking that you can't afford to buy a condo on the beach. Well, today I'm going to prove you wrong. I'm going to show you a condo that is very affordable, and it's right on the beach. So let's get to it. Hey guys, if it's your first time to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, ring the little bell for notifications so you can be one of the first ones to learn everything there is to know about, the beach life, living at the beach. My name is Andy Hollis, along with my partner, Aileen Fountain, and our entire team. We do these videos every single week just to be informative, just to let you know what it's like to live at the beach. So whether it's 9 days, 90 days, or 9 months until you're thinking about making your move to our little slice of paradise, don't hesitate to pick up the phone, give us a call, shoot us a text, set up a Zoom call. We'd love to talk to you face to face. We're not scared of you. So listen, as I mentioned today, we are at a condo complex called Escapes to the Shores. We just did a video on it. You might check that one out, where Aileen did a kind of a little behind the scenes tour of her condo that's not for sale, but there is one for sale in here. This condo complex is kind of unique in the fact that they do have 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 2 bedroom, 2 bath, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 4 bedroom, 2 bath. I mean, you can get a condo in here for less than $300,000 all the way up to $2 million if you go with a penthouse unit. So anyway, so today we're just going to walk you through and show you the 1 bedroom, 1 bath. It's listed by Lance Neal with Remax of Orange Beach, and it's a cozy little condo. Now, you don't get the views that you do in a $1 million condo, of course, but you get access to all the amenities. I mean, for less than $300 grand, you get a place that's on the beach. So you get all the amenities that comes with it. The outdoor pool, the indoor heated pool, all the stuff that comes with it. As we mentioned in one of our other videos earlier that we did on Escapes, we're going to show you around some of the amenities, show you all the pool, the indoor pool, outdoor pool, all that kind of good stuff. And then tell you exactly where this thing is located. It is in the heart of Orange Beach. It's in the middle of everything. So I'm going to show you just off the parking deck. You can see Ruby Tuesday across the street. You've got Somersault, which we did a video on Somersault. It's right over there. You've got Wolf Bay right across the street. You can walk there. And then, everything. It's literally in the heart of everything. It's just such a cool little place. So, anyway, like I said, if you want any information on this place or anything around here, just feel free to give us a call. We love to help you. guys, that's going to about do it for our video here today at Escapes to the Shores. Listen, if you want information on this condo or anything else in our area or the surrounding areas, be sure to pick up the phone, give us a call, set up a Zoom call, give us an email, whatever it takes to get in touch with us. We would love to help you make a smooth move to our little slice of paradise. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos. And until then, hope to see you around town.